let's move into what's happening with Microsoft in that topic. So Microsoft is the biggest player of providing artificial intelligence services, along with Google, OpenAI, even Tesla's, right? So you have all these AI capabilities that's coming out of Microsoft Copilot 365 suite, and these are concerns that is not being discussed, right? Because once you have a Copilot internally within your organization, you bring in a huge security risk that if you were to say the same 10 years ago, you would have laughed about why this is such a risky measure, right? You shouldn't be doing this. But now that we have done it, we are seeing how big of a security vulnerability this Copilot is, because it's exposing users to another user, and all of a sudden users' information are getting leaked to another user, and it's a mass scale of problem that we'll have to solve over time. But going back to the Ben Affleck issue with deepfakes, deepfake enables the entertainment industry to create a movie, let's say instead of 6 months, within 6 days. And that's what Ben Affleck was implying, that instead of watching House of Dragon every season every year, you will watch House of Dragon every 24 hours, a new version of it. But that's depending on how it's being produced, because if it's being produced, the story is being told, the story is being written by an AI, and the story is being portrayed by an AI, you will have a possibility of engaging with the entertainment industry in a whole nother way, right? As in, movies are coming out every 24 hours, and the amount of entertainment you get is going to be unheard of, right? So the vulnerability with Microsoft, vulnerability with creating deepfake, it's happening because once you have an AI system like Microsoft Copilot in your system, in your entertainment industry, and it's able to manipulate the images and manipulate the videos and use an external sensors like cameras to provide you with a new sort of experience, you always have to think of what you see on the surface is literally what's happening to massive amount of people, right? As in, it's not just Hollywood, it's just not entertainment, it's happening throughout the world, as in it's happening in Hollywood, it's happening in Bollywood, Nollywood, right? Dollywood, whatever the case of entertainment industries you have. Now think about it from the marketing perspective, right? These deepfakes are going to sit into the marketing space, because these the marketing companies that have to shoot a real-time video in an actual location. Now, instead of a location, it literally has a few cameras pointing at an individual, and that background is all deep fake, right? That background is all deep fake, and the product that's being showed in on the cameras are all deep fake. It was never in front of the camera. The camera just took a picture of a person or a video of a person and turned everything into a advertisement for 30 seconds or 45 seconds or however long of marketing segments you have. So you have all these capabilities, but if you think about it, these Copilot in Microsoft, if it wasn't containing your IPs, it wasn't containing your content in a secured environment where only you can access it, or at least you can access it along with your teammate that you allow to access it,